Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to do a little unboxing video. Get the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro camera. Now I have one already installed in my driveway, but I guess with the recent storm, it somehow moisture got into it and it crapped out. So I called Ring, we tried to do a hard reset on it, didn't work. So they sent me a new one because it was still under warranty. So we'll unbox this one and we'll do an installation video. So you see this one's hardwired, 1080p video, two-way talk, live view, notifications, privacy, night vision, connects to your Wi-Fi, weather resistant. The old one lasted pretty good through some storms. I don't know what was up with this storm that got moisture in it. Protection plan, a siren, 2000 lumens, 3D motion detection. So let's get to it. Let's see what you get inside the box. Some nice packaging. Here you get a little instruction manual, how to set everything up, how to install it, how to set up your Ring app. I also send you a little screwdriver. A little mounting plate in case your existing light fixture doesn't have one. A variety of screws, depending on how long the screw you need to get from the mount on the camera to this plate. Covers, little wire nuts. That's when you're splicing together the wires. Here's the camera itself. Get this out of the way. So here's your actual camera. This would be the motion sensor. You have these two lights which are adjustable. You can point them, turn them any which way you want to point. These little screws over here, these little white caps go. This is your back plate, your wiring here. This pops off. So this part you actually mount to your wall or where your previous existing light fixture was. Wire it up. You mount this on, tying everything down, and you're good to go. Then you just set up everything in the app. So, nicely packaged. Fairly simple installation. We'll go through everything. Keep the little screwdriver around, it's always handy. And we get some tools ready, we'll get a ladder ready, and I'll show you how to install one of these things. Thanks again, take care.